Hello everyone and welcome to this brief overview of the English for Specific Purposes course. I am Dr. Sarah Ashir and I will be your teacher for this module. In this short presentation, I will explain what you will learn, how the course is organized, and how you will be assessed. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce myself. I am an assistant professor at University of Lausanne in the Department of English. If you have any questions during this semester, you can contact me via email. I usually reply to emails within 48 hours, except in unforeseen circumstances. I also have office hours every Monday and Tuesday from 10 to 12. By the end of this course, you will understand what ESP is and how it differs from general English. You will also learn how to identify learners' needs, explore the main approaches to ESP course design, and develop courses adapted to different academic and professional contexts. You will be equipped to design your own ESP courses for specific professional or academic fields. And of course, to get the most out of this course, you should already have a basic understanding of language teaching methodology and lesson planning. You should also be familiar with 4 language skills: listening, reading, speaking, and writing, alongside having an intermediate level of specialized English. This course is offered as weekly tutorials lasting an hour and a half, running over 14 weeks. It is primarily designed for our third-year undergraduate students in the Department of English. And this course has 1 coefficient and 2 credits. Your final grade will consist of 2 parts. 65% comes from the final examination, while the remaining 35% is based on continuous assessment, including a written test, attendance, and class participation. So I encourage you to attend and actively participate in our sessions. Now let's look at our syllables, starting with chapter 1. In the first chapter, we will explore the foundations of ESP by giving definitions and examining its main characteristics. Then we'll discuss how ESP developed over time, its objectives, and the different types of ESP used in academic and professional settings. In the second chapter, we move from theory to practice. We will study the main approaches to ESP course design, understand the importance of needs analysis, and examine the factors that influence the development of an effective ESP course. By the end of this chapter, you will have a clear understanding of how ESP courses are designed to meet learners' specific needs. And throughout this course, we will rely on well-established references in the field of ESP. So I highly recommend checking this out if you want to deepen your understanding of the field of ESP. And that brings us to the end of our course overview. Thank you for watching.